Delta 2348, turn left heading 120 and 17, cleared for takeoff.
Thank you for Delta 2348.
2348, fly heading 120, runway 17, cleared for takeoff.
Hey, I think we need a second. We'll get back to you.
2348, copy that. Hold short of Kilo and cancel takeoff, sir.
Ground Delta 2348.
2348, go ahead.
Hey, we're going to have to return to the gate. Looks like we're parking Golf 18.
Delta 2348, copy that. Turn left on Kilo 8. And then Zulu Whiskey. I'll have more for you there.
Alright, Kilo 8, Kilo Zulu Whiskey for Delta 2348.
Delta 2348, Whiskey 10. Whiskey 10, cross from my 128, join Alpha.
Delta 2348, Whiskey 10, cross, 12 right, join Alpha.
Delta 2348 at Alpha, cross runway 4, continue to the gate.
Clear cross runway 4 on Alpha, continue to the gate, Delta 2348.
You guys need any assistance? Are you all good?
You ready for this? There's a pigeon on the airplane.
There's a pigeon on the airplane and it won't go away.
Not until we open the door. Thank you though, no assistance required. Our people are meeting at that Golf 18.
That's a first for me, wow.
It's a second for me. The first pigeon was about 35 minutes ago.
Where is it on the airplane that won't move?
You know what, I don't know. The first one they found about halfway into boarding. Right when you gave us our clearance for takeoff, we heard the commotion in the back and had a feeling. So his partner in crime was back there trying to get to Madison, I guess.
Is it inside the plane?
Yes, sir. You better believe it.
Oh my goodness, that's insane.
Flying around back there, yeah.
Apparently a pigeon inside the plane.